Hello everyone, my name is Aarohi and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we will study about modules. So what is module? Module is basically a Python file that contains Python functions, variables or classes which can be used in other programs. So module basically help us organize our code and then we can use that code in other programs. So let me show you all this process practically. We will learn how to create modules, then how to use those modules in other files. Guys, these modules are very, very important when you study AI, because in AI, we import lots of module even for a single program. So there are two type of modules. So one which we create ourselves and then we use them, and other modules are which are built-in modules. Built-in module simply means the modules which are provided us by Python itself, and we directly import them and use them. So how to use built-in module, that part we will cover in next class, but today's focus is how to create our own modules and how to use them in other files. So let's start. So we will use VS Code editor for our coding. So open VS Code, and here we will go to the file and we will open which folder? Data science folder, because we are working there only. So browse to the location where your folder is. So my folder is in D drive, and here is the data science folder. Select it and then select folder, and here you can see all the code which we have done till now in Python for data science playlist. And today we are going to create a separate folder inside data science folder only, and there we will work. So create a folder, click here and create a folder with the name of module demo, module underscore demo, and hit enter. And here we are going to work. First, inside this module demo, let's create one Python file. So select this folder, then click on this new file and name it maths functions.py. Okay. So we will create one file with this name, maths functions name. And here, let's create 3-4 different functions first, because we will use this file in some time as a module. So let's just create few functions. So I have already explained you how to create functions in my last class. So for demo, I'm just creating 2 random functions, very short functions. So let's say the first function is add. And in this function, we want to add 2 numbers. So let's provide 2 parameters. User will provide the value for a and b, and then this function will return the addition on those 2 numbers. Okay, now let me just copy this function, paste it here, and let's name it subtract and return a minus b. Then let me copy the same function and let's have a function name multiply, and this is what it will return. So suppose these are the 3 functions we have in this file, maths functions.py file. Now, suppose you are working on some project, and in that project there is a section where you need mathematical functions. So instead of writing all those math functions in the same page where you're writing your main application code, your project code, write the code in a separate file like this. Now whenever you need these functions, what you can do, you can import this file and you can directly write the function name and use it. So let's suppose we have one more file. So in this module demo folder only, create one more file. So select this folder here, and suppose our this file name is main project .py. So this is our main project file, and here you can import this file, import maths underscore functions. That's it. Now what will happen? Whatever you have in this file, maths functions.py file, that code or function or class, you can easily call it here and use. How you can use it? Just write math functions dot, if you want to use add function, see we have add function in it. So you can write dot add and provide two numbers to it, 2 and 3. And let's say you have stored it in C variable. Then print C, save it. Now let's run it. So right now on terminal, we are in data science folder, but we are doing code in module demo folder. So you will enter in that folder first, module demo folder. And now here you will run Python main project.py file. Okay. You don't have to do anything with this maths function. You are just running your main project.py file and you will see the output 5. How we got this output? Because add function, which is there in math functions file, we are calling that math function file over here. Then we are using the add function of that file and we got the result. So like this, you can call as many functions which are there in math function. Now let's say you want to work with the another function. Just write maths functions and you want to use which function we have over here? Subtract function. Just copy this function from here, write this, provide two numbers to it. First number is 8, second number is 6. And then let's just print it. Print D, save it, run your code again. See, we have two output. First one is this and second one is this. This is how you can create your modules and then you can import those modules in another file. That way your code will be more organized, and let's suppose multiple people are working in your project and everybody can handle single module, then you can directly import all those files in your main project file. So that is the benefit of modules. And guys, in my next video, I'll show you how to use inbuilt modules, which are already there, right? So we will see how to use them in my next video. And the link of this code is mentioned in description section. And I hope my videos are helpful. Thank you for watching.